Hello everyone and welcome to SIMmetry's tutorial series. This tutorial on selection shadow will provide you with the steps to visualize the shadow effect of a particular object on surrounding buildings and terrain. To begin this tutorial, let us go over where the selection shadow can be accessed. To access the selection shadow, on the ribbon menu, click on the Analysis tab. Then in the Shadow Analysis group, click on Shadow Analysis. Before continuing, in the 3D window, set the time, date, and time zone using the date and time controls. Then after setting the date and time, select the objects from which you wish to cast the shadow. To use this selection shadow, click on Show Selected Shadow. If you want to clear a selection shadow, click on Shadow Analysis and toggle off Selection Shadow. If you want to recast the shadow from a previously selected object to a currently selected object, click the arrow next to Selection Shadow and then click Update Shadow. We went over how to visualize the shadow effect of a particular object on surrounding buildings and terrain in our project. This concludes the tutorial on Selection Shadow. For more information, refer to Chapter 14, Analysis tab, and SIMmetry's User Manual. Thank you for watching and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.